Hey Mario, we came as fast as we could. We heard we have a new fantastic listing at 546 Orange Drive, Unit 13 in Altamonte Springs.
That's right, Eric. Here we are, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,416 square feet, formal dining room, plenty of living room space to roam around, newer windows, spacious bedrooms, and a 2-year-old AC. Don't you love that?
This unit is located in the Royal Arm subdivision, and it's such a great location, located behind Publix on 436 next to I-4. This community features
a clubhouse, lake access,
2 pools,
and so much more. We're right by 2 movie theaters, the Altamonte Mall, uptown Altamonte. You cannot ask for a better location.
So come on in, let's take a look together. Thanks for checking out our listings. Tell us what you love about it in the comments below. Eric?
I love the spaciousness and all that this community has to offer.
Yep, I love the layout and how spacious the bedrooms are.
Give us a big thumbs up and share this with your friends.
Bye.